Hey everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. So for my embellishments today, I played around with fantasy fiber. This is made by the Art Glitter Company. This is the Cotton Cloud. There's other colors that it comes with. I got this from Country Craft Creations. As you may know, I'm a design team member for them. I'm trying to put some of the shapes I die cut, and I want to tell you what I did with it. So this is it binds if you heat it up. So I took some, let me get this out of the way, and I don't have an iron because I live in my RV full time, so I don't carry an iron. It's just one of those things I decided I don't need. So I put this between 2 sheets of parchment paper, and I used my hair straightener, which worked fabulously, although I did put it down to 160 degrees, or else it was scorching. So if you want to, you can take it and flatten it out. Now, if you heat it up too much, I don't know if you can tell, but it loses some of its iridescence. So you have to have the right temperature. Another thing you can do with it is you can take a rubber stamp, and I don't know if you'll be able to see this flower there's an impression in here. It's just too shiny. But so what I did is I made a little clump, I put it down on this rubber stamp and I put it on the embossing with parchment paper, and the rubber stamp left a little bit of an impression. You can see it if you look close. Another thing I did was I got some glitter. So I have this, this big hexagon shaped glitter. I pressed some of the fiber, I put some glitter, added some more fiber, put some more glitter, and then added just a little bit of glitter on top. There's the blue on the bottom. I mean, so when I was doing that, I was thinking, butterflies and dragonflies. I do have a butterfly punch, and so I did make a butterfly with a punch. But then I found when I was putting it through my die cut machine, it was sticking to the mat, so I had to put something underneath, and then it wanted to stick to whatever I put underneath. For instance, I used vellum, and it would stick to the vellum, and that was okay. That worked all right. So, so look at these flowers. They punched out nicely, but to look fabulous, they needed to stick with the paper I punched them on. So let me show you close-ups. I'm not going to show it on the camera. I'm going to show you still photos because it works better that way, of some of the things that I made with the fantasy fiber. So this one, the unicorn with the hair, it's popped up, it's dimensional, and I just put a clump of the fantasy fiber that was glued together underneath there. Not sure I like it. It just looks like a unicorn hairy head. So there's that one. Here's the butterfly that I punched out with those glitter shapes. And I do like the look of that. That came out pretty nice. I'm okay with that one. These flowers were the ones I punched out, and it needs to stay with that paper backing or else it gets lost. I don't know if you can see this one. So this is one that's got the flower punched in. In real life you can see the flower, but I don't think on camera it's going to pick up. I had a glitter for this one that was teeny strips of glitter. I don't know a better way of describing it. And so I embedded that with the fantasy fiber, and it just adds a little bit of different texture. But these little slivers of glitter want to keep coming out of this one. So I don't know about that one either. This unicorn, the Wishing a Magical Day, I just have a light strip of the fantasy fiber behind that. And that's nice. I sort of, it adds some texture to it. This round one with the little flower, number one, I'm not nuts about the embellishment, and number two, it's got a piece of vellum behind that flower, but it just doesn't pop. And this beautiful inside and out, that's another one that I've got some fantasy fiber behind the elements just to add a little bit of texture. And the wishing you a magical day, just as sparkly and glittery and has no fantasy fiber in it at all. So I wanted to show you these great projects I made with the Art Glitter Fantasy Fiber. It is available at Country Craft Creations. I am a design team member there. So go ahead and check them out. It comes in other colors as well as the Cotton Cloud that I purchased. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go check out all the other collaborators listed below. They have done some fabulous things. And I want to thank Deb Hawk of Deb Hawk's Crafty Cottage for sponsoring this collab. It's been a lot of fun, and I get to use things that I think about using and actually do. So thanks again for watching. Have a fabulous day.